What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to assemble my Spyker Spreader. Stay tuned. Alright, so today I am assembling my Spyker SPY50L-1P broadcast spreader. As you can see, it says for Carbon Earth. That is because I won this spreader at GIE last October at the Carbon Earth Company booth doing a game being hosted by Alan Hain, the lawn care nut. So this is how your Spyker spreader will come. Just open the top of the box. This little piece of cardboard right here is just protecting the gearbox. Just discard it. And then it's halfway assembled for you inside of here. I'm only using one hand because I'm holding the camera here, but just grab a hold of it, lift it straight out of the box. Everything is strapped to it, so you can just set it aside as one piece. And then back inside the box are the two wheels and the linkage. Now be careful removing this part. You don't want to bend it, so just take the tape off the box and set this part aside because we'll install that on later on. Here's the grill and the top cover that also comes with this unit. Here you see I'm adding one washer, and then the tire, and then I'll add a second washer. Followed by the Rue Ring Locking Pin. It's much easier than I'm making it look. I'm only using one hand. Next, we're going to add two washers to the other side of the axle, followed by the tire. Lock the wheel in place with the clevis pin and the hairpin. Next, run two hex head bolts through the frame, lower the tubing for the stand onto the bolts, and secure in place with two nylon lock nuts. stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Well, that about does it for this assembly video of my Spyker Spreader. I thank you for watching. Getting ready to go use this thing, get ready to put down my grub application. So I'm gonna have a review on this thing coming up very soon, plus a video on how to apply grub prevention. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below and tap that bell so you can get instant notifications on all this future content that I got coming out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want a Spyker Spreader, leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you have a Spyker Spreader, how do you like it, man? I'm getting ready to use it. I don't have an opinion based on it yet, but it seems like a very, very nice piece of equipment from putting it together. So I'm pretty excited to get to using it. But that's all I got for you guys for this video. I appreciate you watching. Get off your ass, take care of your grass, and I'll see you next time. Peace.